Hello students, today we will do exercise 2 from Oxford Practice Grammar sentence structure. Sentence structure. The parts of a sentence are the subject, verb, object, complement and adverbial. A statement begins with the subject and verb. Subject is who or what performs the action and verb is the action that is being performed. So there are 5 main structures which we can use to make a simple statement. Number 1, subject plus verb. Number 2, subject plus verb plus object. Number 3, subject plus verb plus complement. Number 4, subject plus verb plus adverbial. Number 5, subject plus verb plus object plus object. Let's do first sentence structure. Subject plus verb. Subject is who or what performs the action and verb expresses what the action is. My arms are aching. So my arms here is subject and are aching is verb. Something happened. Something is subject and happened is verb. So this is the first sentence structure, that is subject plus verb. Subject is the one who performs action and verb expresses what the action is. Number 2, subject plus verb plus object. Subject plus verb plus object. Subject is who or what performs the action, verb expresses what the action is, and object is whoever or whatever receives that action. Object is whoever or whatever receives that action. I need a rest. So I here is subject, need here is verb and rest here is object. 5 people are moving the piano. 5 people subject, are moving verb and the piano is object. So this is the second sentence structure, subject plus verb plus object. Third sentence structure is subject plus verb plus complement. Complement is adjective or noun phrase. Subject we know, verb we know. So complement can be adjective or complement can be a noun phrase. Adjective is a describing word. Adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. The piano was heavy. The piano is subject, was verb and heavy is complement. It was a big problem. It's subject, verb is was and a big problem is complement. It's a noun phrase. Big is adjective, problem is noun, so it's a noun phrase. It's complement. So complement can be adjective, for example heavy, or it can be a noun phrase, a big, that is a big problem. The complement often comes after be, means present form of be is am/are or past form of be was or were. It can also come after appear, become, get, feel, look, seem, stay or sound. Fourth sentence structure is subject plus verb plus adverbial. Subject, who or what performs the action, verb expresses what the action is, adverbial can be adverb or it can be a prepositional phrase. It is on my foot. It is subject, is verb, on my foot prepositional phrase, so it is adverbial. Their house is empty. Their house subject is verb, empty is adverbial. So fourth sentence structure is subject plus verb plus adverbial, where subject is who or what performs the action, verb is what the action is, and adverbial who adjective or adverbial is adverb or prepositional phrase. An adverbial can be prepositional phrase, for example, on my foot, or it can be adverb, for example, nearby. Last sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object plus object. So, it is giving me backache. It is subject, is giving verb, me is object, backache is object. When a sentence has two objects, the one object is direct object and the other object is indirect object. Direct object is the thing that someone gives and indirect object is the person receiving something. So in this sentence, it is giving me backache. Me is indirect object and backache is direct object. Direct object and indirect object we will do in detail in exercise 3. David brought Malini a present. Malini, the person receiving something, so it is indirect object, and a present, the thing that someone gives, so it is direct object. Direct object can be at the end of the sentence, or we can use indirect object at the end of the sentence. If indirect object is there at the end of the sentence, then we will use to, like David brought a present for Malini. To or for we can use. In detail, direct and indirect object we will do in exercise 3. So the last sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object plus object. Thanks. So you can do this exercise in detail. You can practice this exercise from Oxford Practice Grammar.